Okay, we're going to do an amperage draw test on a starter that's out of a 12-point valve 5.9 liter Cummins engine. What we've done is we have hooked up a jump box to the starter to bench test it. Our positive terminal coming out of that jump box is connected to the B terminal on the starter, and your negative terminal out of your jump box is hooked to the body of the starter. We're using a push button to start this to freewheel it. So we have one side of that push button hooked to the positive terminal on that jump box, and the other side of that push button is hooked to the S terminal on the starter. We're using an amp induction probe. We've got it clamped on our positive cable coming out of the jump box. You've got to make sure that your arrow is pointed in the direction of the flow of current. So we'll also be using a digital multimeter set to volts DC, and we want to make sure that that is set to millivolts, and then zero it, which can be tricky. There we go. And then hit our push button. Okay. Now to lock that in, you can hit your min-max function on your multimeter. Hit it again. And you'll see that our maximum amperage coming out of there is 282.3. So our amperage draw on this starter is 282.3 amps.